Gripple is the market leader of wire rope and tensioners in the United States. We manufacture products for the construction, civil, agricultural, and solar markets. We value manufacturing in the United States. Just a few short years ago, we had 50 employees in 2015. Today, we have over 180 U.S. employees, and every month adding more. Gripple is an employee-owned company. And employee ownership allows our people to produce not only a great product, but also deliver an exceptional customer experience. Gripple buildings challenge the norm of what a workspace should look like. We like open spaces, bright colors, and a lot of collaboration space so our people can work together, coming up with new ideas that benefit our customers.
While many of our competitors make their products in China, we are proud that our manufacturing is done in Sheffield, England, and here in Aurora. Last year alone, we used more than 20,000 miles of wire rope to create hanging systems for MEP services in the construction industry, as well as braces and anchors for the agricultural and infrastructure markets. We also shipped over 10 million wire joiners and tensioners from our US facilities alone. With manufacturing in Illinois and California, we can service our distribution partners, contractors, and OEMs all across the country with a standard 3-day lead time. We will also make to order a solution for any application.
All our automated machines are made in-house at our sister company, Gripple Automation. Our recent expansion allowed us to add several automated machines to our production department. This has greatly increased our capacity and allowed us to add another level of quality assurance to each sling being produced. We complete full test to destruction before every production run, and our new machines will test every sling equal to twice the working load of the product being produced. Machines most recently commissioned manufacture a variety of hanging kits with multiple end fitting options. The hooker machine manufactures slings for building structure attachment, the Y-Fit machine produces lighting hanger kits, and the looper machine manufactures loops for suspending surfaces from bar joists. And the Gripple Spider, our cast-in-place concrete insert, is now produced in Aurora for the U.S. market. Our wire fusing and hand clip operation is busy producing slings of different wire types and sizes, offering great flexibility with whatever the customer may need.
Manufacturing in America means that we can serve our customers better than anyone else in the market. We value the American dream and work hard to provide that for all of our employees. If you are looking for a supplier, give us a try. We will work hard to deliver exceptional product on time and meet all of your expectations.